Well, guys, I have been defeated. That contraption that I made has broken, and I thought I was going to sell them online for $40 each. No, not $40, maybe $5. But, man, it's collapsed. The device that I created has collapsed. And I am done for today. I'm going to have to remake that device all over again. And hopefully the next one that I make could be a little bit better. I'm defeated. I am defeated. It collapsed. Look at that. That part is up, but the other side is down. I was on my way to getting that retainer off. And had to put some more washers on there because it was too short. And come to find out, the unit did not like the pressure that was being put on it. So anyway, there's my little contraption. It didn't work. Wasn't strong enough. The guy in the video, his didn't have any gaps on the side like mine. See, I've got some gaps on the side of mine. Make do with what you got. This is what they always say. Alright, talk to y'all later. Ken coming at you from Ken.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird. A true phoenix. I have been beat up.